Many ask how they may know that it is done. How do I know that I have succeeded in the imaginal act? May I tell you? I discovered something, and I discovered it through experience. Of all the pleasures of the world, relief is the most keenly felt. It seemed to relieve me. A sense of release possessed me, and I knew something had happened. Most people think they must continue to labor, continue to struggle, and continue to repeat the act. But I discovered something entirely different. When the thing has truly been accepted, there comes upon man a peculiar feeling of relief. What we have not traversed emotionally, we have not lived. A friend of mine once said to me, I have experienced every emotion in this world but one, and that one is poverty. So he left his millions behind and went to Cambodia, where he dressed as a beggar, carried a bow, and went from house to house asking for rice, believing that he had experienced poverty, but he had not, for at any moment he could return to his fortune, return to his home, and return to the security that was still his. My daughter once told me she would be home at 10. 10 came and she was not there. 11 came and she was not there. 11:30 came and still she was not there. Thoughts came before my mind which I did not wish to entertain. I dismissed them, yet they returned. Every possibility began to present itself to the mind. One moment I would dismiss it. The next moment another would appear. And although I knew better, the mind persisted in weaving its stories. When someone you dearly love is late, you anxiously await that key in the door. Then when the doorbell rings, and it is their voice, the relief that comes when the one you so love suddenly appears is beyond measure. And no matter what I had entertained prior to that moment, relief came. When relief comes, the search is over. You no longer seek the thing. In that moment, you have accepted it. Now let me tell you how easily one may experience wealth. For wealth may be experienced just as easily as poverty. Take the picture. Bring before your mind's eye that which implies the fulfillment of your desire. See it as though it were true. Take the picture and leave it alone. For life itself develops it. The whole vast world moves toward bringing to birth the picture you have taken. You may not recognize all that happens between taking the picture and its birth in this world, but it comes to pass. Reason told me I could never become what I have become. Everything about my former life suggested I could never live the way I am living. Never. Yet I tried it. I became what I became. I am living as I am living, and I remembered what I did. There is that in man to which whatever happens, he may turn. That's something which remains firm when everything else fails. That which does not change, and that is your own wonderful human imagination. So I say to you, relief is the evidence that the act has been accepted.